Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today I am doing an unboxing of a giveaway that I won from afroglamnails on Instagram. This is their package. I have opened it because all I could smell was monomer. Down here is their social media. Let me take the monomer out so it doesn't spill anymore. Down here is their social media. Let me get their info out so I can share it with you. The contents of my package. Afroglam. This card, monomer setting tips, 40 seconds, depends on the temperature of your work area. The warmer it is, the faster your monomer is going to set. The cooler it is, the more playtime you have with your monomer. Oh, this is all glittery. How nice is that? That's kind of cool. Tag us in your nail vibes. Use the hashtag. And then it shows you them. Afroglamnails. And then here, these are the same thing. Now I have arrived. A few tips before fun can begin. Consumer monomer tips, acrylic tips. Okay, so we're all good to go with that. Let me cut these open here. Let's see what I got. This is a clear by afroglamnails. It is 1 ounce. Ultra clear, it says. Ultra clear. afroglamnails.com. It tells you the ingredients. In case you want to screenshot that. Make sure the stickers are on good. Now let's go to the monomer. Where as soon as I got my package, I could smell this. Alrighty. So, lid is not on all the. Oh Lord, the lid is stripped. That's not good. And crooked. Yeah, this bottle is the lid stripped out, honey. This is a flammable liquid. I cannot tilt it or it'll spill. It's by afroglamnails. EMA monomer. Good to know, good to know, good to know. You can tell it has leaked. The label is a little bit smeared here. I am going to get my area set up for acrylics, and we will be back. I am all set up. We're going to take our AGN afroglamnails monomer, take my lid off my dabbing dish, pour down the ferrule of the nail. There we go, there we go. I've got another container to put this in. The lid is stripped out of the bottle. I have prepped my nail. I have taken the shine off it. I have put on my primer. We are burping our brush. Tap off one side. Give us a nice little bead. And we're going to go in on the nail. We're going to tap it in on the beautiful area. Go in, burp our brush again, fill it up with the monomer. You want to wait till like a 5 count. Feather it backwards a little bit. And I am helping it down the brush. My room is kind of warm today. It's going to be 90 outside. So I'm trying to just help it down the nail. I want to get it down the nail before it starts to set. The warmer your room is, the faster your acrylic will set. And we don't want that. So hold your nail downwards. And hopefully gravity will take over. Let it flow down the nail some. This is an ultra clear acrylic. Most of the other ones I've used are always crystal clear. Alright, alright, alright. Now I want to do something here. Maybe just while it's wet. Just put some sequins down the tip of the nail. I'm not doing the whole nail, just a portion. And I'm going to let that sit for just now. We're going to encapsulate. We're going to start once again by the cuticle area. Tuck it by your cuticle area and let it flow. Let gravity take. Oh, I'm not even in the frame. I'm very sorry. I've got the nail pointed downwards. We're letting gravity take over. Let it run down the nail some. Hopefully it will reach our sequins. I'm going to go on with another bead. I'm not going to drain, because I do need this to flow, 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 flow. Make sure you have your nail pointing downwards. Try to get this acrylic to cover our sequins. I will be going in with another small bead. I'm just going to help it down the tip of the nail. I think I need another bead here in the middle. Right there. I'm going to flow down the nail. I'm going to clean my brush out in the monomer. Hopefully you let it flow, flow, flow. Wipe off any excess you may have. There we go. That is beautiful. Really beautiful. So that is it for our nails for today. You can find afroglamnails on Instagram, as well as afroglamnails.com. This is a 1 ounce ultra clear acrylic. Ultra clear. afroglamnails.com. Let me bring it up here in case you can see it. And again, this is a 1 ounce of the ultra clear. She does sell the 1 ounce of monomer. This is 1 full ounce, and I lost, it was down to here, so I lost a good inch worth of acrylic. But what are you gonna do? Not much you can do. So I'm gonna let my nails continue to set. I'm going to clean my brush. I do believe in, this is by me a secret, a brush cleaner. I am a firm believer in this. Firm believer, so check that out off of Amazon. I'm going to clean my brush. I'm going to wait for these to set so I can buff and file, and then we'll top coat. So we will return. Alrighty, we are back. I have buffed and filed my nails. We are going to top coat together, and I want you to remember this is by afroglamnails.com. So I'm going to be using my iGel Beauty No White Top Coat. We're going to put these over these beautiful nails. I do like this ultra clear. It's a nice glossy top coat. So they are beautiful and shiny. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and any useful information I feel you may need to know. Once I decide to kick on here, whoops. We're going to give those a full 60-second cure. My mat is still bubbled up from the monomer. Try and smooth that puppy out. So again, look for afroglamnails on Instagram. I won their giveaway. This is how I acquired this. And I give it 2 thumbs up. So I will leave her link to Instagram in the description box first and foremost. That way you can contact her yourself. Love the products. Love, love, love. I just got to tell her about the monomer. Got a little bit of leakage. I got to find something to transfer it in. So the nails should be finished uno momento. And here we go. Fresh out of the lamp. Look how beautiful those look. I mean, yes, it's very simple. An overlay with some sequins. But I think they turned out beautifully. I love the ultra clear acrylic because it is definitely clear. Crystal clear. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the 2 nails. The monomer. The monomer is a low odor. So yes, check out afroglamnails.com. Check her out on Instagram. Like I said, I will leave her link down below in the description box. You may even find her in my comments. I'm not too sure. So leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell. Click all, and you'll get notified of all future giveaways, all uploads, all useful information. Check me out on Instagram. Just nailed it. You can see all my pictures and everything there. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.